Hi everyone, welcome to Royalton Blue Waters. So we're at room 3711, and one thing that I really loved and appreciated was that our hotel band or our bracelet also serves as a room key. So we didn't have to worry about our room key getting lost, and not just that, but during COVID, that extra transfer of germs and bacteria from touching everything. So I really liked that. Now as we enter to my right area, there is the bathroom or the toilet in an enclosed room, which I like. Adjacent to that, we have a small vanity station. It has a mirror and it has some storage drawers. Beside that, we have our double door closet, which is pretty spacious. Let's take a look inside. So it has motion sensor light, so once you put your hand in, the light comes on. We have some hangers, we have an ironing board, we have an umbrella, we have a safe, and we have just enough space to hold all our things for the duration of our stay. Now over to the statement piece of the room, which is this tub right here. Can I tell you, beautiful? And we have our sink, his and hers, his and his, hers and hers, whatever you're into. It has a nice large mirror and enough space for two people. Really love that. Now let's go and take a look inside the shower. So it has a little area here where you can sit down and take a scrub if that's your thing. It has two shower heads. It also has a handheld shower. And we have our amenities, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, etc. All that jazz. And so I really love the design of this room. And let's just take a look from the door. As you can see, so you enter the room, you have the bathroom area right on this side. Then you have the vanity station and closet area here. Then the shower, the sink, and the tub in this open area. But the one thing that I did appreciate was that they had room dividers, so you were able to just close those curtains for a little bit more privacy. So I really loved that. So let's take a look at the rest of the room. We have a king size bed, and if you'd notice, traveling during COVID, a lot of the room decors are down to the bare minimum. So anything additional or extra, such as robes, slippers, extra pillows, blankets, all that jazz, you'd have to request it. And don't mind me, I'm just enjoying this beautiful view of myself in this full body mirror. Now let's take a look at our mini bar. So it was stocked with some juice, some water. Over on the other side, we had a coffee maker, some cups, and an ice bucket. Now, I really loved the TV. Loved that, like many properties, you have all the information about the property on the television. We also had information about our Diamond Club package, where to find everything, all the Diamond Club areas, but we didn't really have to use it because our butlers took care of everything. And another thing I really loved was that we could order room service straight from our TV. Just place your order and have it delivered to you in 10 to 15 minutes, which we really did make use of. Now let's take a look at the rest of the room. We have another vanity station area here. We also have a sofa bed and a coffee table. Very nice. And now for my favorite thing ever, as you would know, is the view. One thing about me, I really love a high floor. I just feel like the higher you go, the better the view, and I'm just a sucker for a nice view. The higher, the better. Look at this. Just look. I felt like we got the best of both worlds with this view because we were overlooking the ocean. We also had, a slice of the resort view, and I think it was so beautiful. You can see the lazy river. You can just see the exquisite design of the property. I really, really enjoyed this view. We could see almost everything from our balcony. And now I'm just showing you the room from a different angle. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you've ever stayed at Royalton, go ahead and comment below. Tell me how your experience was, okay? And if you ever want to book this property, go ahead and email me at artraveladventures@gmail.com. Don't forget to also shop my travel merchandise at artraveladventures.com. Once again, thank you guys so much for joining me, and be on the lookout for my next vlog. Bye.